Listen to me. I have a message that God just sent to me. So you know it's coming from God through my mouth to your ears. So take heed to the message. Man, listen, are you feeling undervalued, dehumanized, unappreciated at your job? Yeah? Well, guess what? I'm not offering you a job, but I'm letting you know that get your butt up out of there and go to a place that you will be valued. Go to a place where you know your desires can be met. You get what I'm saying? If God gave you the vision, he will bring you the provision. God did not just give you a vision in your head for you to just play around and have sexual fantasies. Are you kidding me? You think that God gave you this holographic, listen, you got a holographic movie screen inside of you projecting somewhere. They say it's in your head, it's in your brain, whatever. I think personally it's coming from your heart. But God gave you, he gave you the ability to see without seeing. Huh? So why the hell are you in a place slaving for some, why the hell are you in a place being somebody's slave-o-matic, not being valued, being dehumanized when you know your value and you know your worth? Feel me? I know in this 3D plane of existence, we have to work. Yes, we have to get our money and we have to pay our bills. But listen, if you are being undervalued, devalued, dehumanized, where do you think your spark will go? Into the fiery furnace of the pits of hell where your boss is at and that job is at. Feel me? And it will stay there because you are not using the vision that God gave you to maximize your profits. God gave you the vision for a reason, chosen one. And I promise you, once you can sit back, figure out what makes you get what I'm saying? What makes you tick? Feel me? What can you put your heart into? Feel me? That other people could appreciate. Because everybody, especially chosen ones, everybody has their audience out there waiting for them. Feel me? Everybody. It's on to you to go find your audience. Feel me? You can't just sit there going to this damn job 9 to 5, 10 to 9, whatever, doing whatever. Nah, you can't. You have to have the freedom, the space in order to make your dreams a reality. Feel me? Even if that means you gotta go be homeless in a car somewhere. Feel me? Think about it. A lot of the superstars out there, they had to go be homeless. They had to go do things they really did not even want to do. Feel me? And that's what it takes to that's what it takes to really bring your vision to light. You get what I'm saying?